Hi everyone, in today's quick tutorial I am going to show you how to use the green screen or Chroma Key feature in CapCut. It's super easy and give your video a cool professional look. Let's jump in. Step number 1. First open CapCut and create a new project. Add your background, video or image. This is what will show behind the green screen. Step number 2. Now tap overlay and select your green screen video. This will place it on top of your main clip. Resize and position it where you want. Step number 3. Tap on the green screen video, scroll to the right and choose Chroma Key. Then tap the green color in your video, adjust intensity and shadow until the background is gone. Step number 4. You can also trim or move the overlay so it syncs perfectly with your main video. Step number 5. Once you are happy with how it looks, choose your resolution and hit the export button. You have just used green screen in CapCut. If this video will help you, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want more CapCut tips. See you in the next video.